Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best laptops under 500. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the laptops in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best laptops under 500 on the market right now. Coming at number 7, we've got the HP Laptop 17. This big screen HP laptop is the best option for replacing a desktop on a tight budget. It has a solid set of hardware specs and respectable performance for just a little more than $400. This cheap laptop has upgradable RAM and storage, meaning that down the line, you'll be able to swap its hard drive for a much faster one, and I recommend that you do so. In line with its desktop replacing credentials, the notebook is the only entry on this list to have a DVD burner. While it may not be the most travel-friendly option, this large laptop can last up to 8 hours between battery charges. Number 6. Asus Chromebook C425. The Asus Chromebook C425 is an excellent, cheap laptop option for buyers who don't need another touchscreen in their life. The compact laptop has beautiful design, excellent hardware specs, as well as a reliable battery life for its price tag. A Wirecutter tester concluded that this device is the best no-frills Chromebook. This Chromebook has a screen with a 180-degree hinge and ultra-thin display bezels that make it look like a more premium product. In addition to having a small footprint, the C425 is also gloriously lightweight. It only weighs 2.8 pounds. Asus has made up for the lack of touchscreen by equipping the C425 with a comfy backlit keyboard, as well as a large and responsive touchpad. Plus, the wired connectivity features of this notebook are among the best that I've tested of any price. Coming at number 5, HP Stream 14. The HP Stream 14 is the best cheap laptop for buyers who are on a really tight budget. It has a pleasantly understated design and a fantastic set of connectivity features and superb battery life. The notebook also comes with a year-long subscription of Microsoft Office 365, thus allowing users to conquer productivity tasks the moment they power it up. With an entry-level Intel processor on board, the notebook is best suited for web browsing, streaming video at home, and editing Office documents. With just over 14 hours of battery life, the device is ideal for use on the go. Out of the box, the Stream 14 runs Microsoft Windows 10s. You can update to full Microsoft 10 for free if you wish to install apps outside the Microsoft Store. Coming at number 4, Microsoft Surface Go. The latest member of the Microsoft Surface product family is an ultra-compact 10-inch tablet. A budget of $500 will get you the entry-level Surface Go with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, coupled with a Surface-type cover in the color of your choosing. This cheap laptop's Intel Pentium Gold processor isn't exactly a powerhouse, but it's plenty capable for web browsing and video streaming. Like all Surface products, the Go is elegant and exceptionally crafted. A review editor from The Verge noted that the device is a joy to use. A PC Mag editor praised it for being one of the nicest and most fully featured tablets with Microsoft Windows on board. Number 3, HP Chromebook 15. CPU, Intel Pentium Gold processor, dual core, display 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Memory 4GB of RAM, 64GB of built-in flash storage. Connectivity, USB 3 port, 2 USB-C ports, micro SD card slot. Other, up to 13 hours of battery life, B&O speakers. The HP Chromebook 15 is the best Chrome OS laptop out today. Elegantly designed and superbly crafted, it has a high-quality touchscreen, plenty of power for a fast and fluid performance, and access to Android apps via the Google Play Store. Its metal chassis looks sharp, and so does its vibrant touchscreen with thin bezels. A CNET editor also noted that this cheap laptop pick is more like a high-end mainstream Windows 10 laptop. Because of its lightweight OS and energy shipping hardware, the Chromebook 15 has an excellent battery life, especially for a 15-inch laptop. Coming at number 2, Asus VivoBook 15. CPU, 8th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Memory, 8GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. Connectivity, USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI port, micro SD card reader. Other, built-in fingerprint scanner, ergonomic backlit keyboard. The Asus VivoBook 15 is a solid alternative to our top pick, as it has a sleek design, more RAM, a built-in fingerprint sensor, and a slightly lower price tag. The insanely thin display bezels make the Asus VivoBook 15 look impossibly compact and elegant for its price range. I also like the device's ergonomic keyboard with adjustable height. This cheap laptop delivers solid hardware performance for its price point. It also has fast charging capabilities. You can get your battery from empty to 60% in less than an hour. It's worth noting that the VivoBook 15 ships with Windows 10s. This variant of the platform allows you to install apps only from the Microsoft Store, but you can upgrade to a full Windows 10 version for free. Number 1. Acer Aspire 5. CPU, 10th generation Intel Core i3 dual-core. Display, 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Memory, 4GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. Connectivity, USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, HDMI port, Ethernet port. Other, full-size backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6 compatible. Price below $400, the Acer Aspire 5 is an outstanding cheap laptop. A Laptop Mag review editor recently noted that the Aspire 5 is the laptop to get if you're on a budget, and a CNET tester concluded that the Aspire 5 definitely delivers more performance for your money than you might expect. With thin display bezels and an aluminum top cover, the Aspire 5 looks vastly more expensive than it is. It's also impressively compact and lightweight for a full-size laptop, with a 15.6-inch display. The notebook performs well for a sub-$500 product, thanks to a future-proof 10th generation Intel processor and a speedy solid-state drive. Heavy multitaskers should consider upgrading its RAM memory. It's important to note that for $100 more, Acer offers an Aspire 5 with an AMD processor, as well as more RAM and built-in storage. The Aspire 5 ships with Windows 10s. This variant of the platform allows you to install apps only from the Microsoft Store. You can upgrade to a full Windows 10 version for free. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best laptops under $500. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.